Did you know unplanned machine downtime costs manufacturers $50 billion annually? Machine downtime is one of the biggest challenges in manufacturing, but predictive AI is changing the game. Unplanned downtime disrupts workflows, delays production, and leads to massive financial losses. Traditional maintenance methods just don't cut it anymore. Predictive AI uses real-time data to detect early warning signs of equipment failure. It enables manufacturers to plan maintenance before breakdowns occur, keeping operations running smoothly. By implementing predictive AI, companies are reducing unplanned downtime by up to 50%, saving millions in repair and replacement costs and extending the lifespan of critical machinery. Want to know how predictive AI can transform your business? Read the blog or watch the full video for more insights.